Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time to subscribe my channel, I'm Bali Geoffrey. So today we're going to revise Maths Paper 1 2022 internal. So we're going to revise question number 23 under speed time graph. So let's start. Question number 23. The diagram below is the speed time graph of an object. The object starts from rest and accelerates uniformly for 2 seconds until it reaches a speed of 10 meters per second. It then travels at this speed for 8 seconds and finally decides to rest after 5 seconds. So they say that it starts accelerating uniformly at 2 seconds. It reaches to the speed of 10 meters per second, and then it continues with this same speed for 8 seconds, and then it decelerates after 5 seconds. So question: find the retardation of the object in the last 5 seconds, which is 1 mark. B. Find the distance traveled in the first 10 seconds, which is 2 marks. C. Find the average speed of the object for the whole journey. So, solution. Question number 23. So we need to find the retardation, same as deceleration. So the formula for finding retardation or deceleration, we use the same formula for acceleration. So acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial by time taken. So acceleration is equal to, so final velocity where it reached. So it reached at 12 seconds. 12 seconds. So 12 subtract by, so where it started. So it start from sorry, here I made a mistake here. So 5 plus 10, which is 15. So 5 plus 10, which is 15. So 15 subtract by initial velocity where it started from 10 meters per second. So initial is 10 divided by time taken. So time taken was 5 seconds. So acceleration is equal to 15 subtract by 10, which is 5 divided by 5. So deceleration is equal to 5 divided by 5, which is 1 meter per second square. Remember, deceleration it must have a negative sign because it is retardating. The speed was reducing, so we need to add a negative sign. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number B. Find the distance traveled in the first 10 seconds, which is 2 marks. So 10 seconds from here up to here. So since here this is a trapezium, shape, so we're going to use this formula. Distance is equal to half, open bracket A plus B, close bracket H. So distance is equal to half. So A, we're going to pick the distance from 2 to 10. So 10 subtract by 2, which is 8 plus B, where it reaches. So it reaches at the speed, or it reaches at 10 seconds. So we're going to put 10 close bracket. The height is here 10, where it reached. So 10. So here we're going to cancel 2 into 10, which is 5. So 8 plus 10, which is 18 multiplied by 5. So remember, this is paper 1. A calculator is not allowed. So 18 multiplied by 5. So 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40. So 5 multiplied by 1, which is 5 plus 4, which is 9. So distance is equal to, so you multiply by, so 18 multiplied by 5, which is 90 meters. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. So let's proceed to question number C. Find the average speed of the object for the whole journey. So for the whole journey from 0 to 15 seconds. So we're going to use, since we have already known the distance from 0 to 10, so we're going just to calculate the distance of this triangle from 10 to 15. So question number C. So we're going to use, since we have already calculated the distance of the trapezium, which is 90 meters, so we're going to add a distance of 1 over 2 BH. So half multiplied by B base, which is 10. 15 subtract by 10, which is 5. So 5 multiplied by height, which is 10. So going to cancel here. So 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25 meters. So this is the distance for the triangle. So we're going to add distance is equal to 90 meter plus 25 meter. So distance is equal to, so here we're going to add 5, which is 9, 10, 11, which is 115 meters. So this is the total distance of the whole journey from 0 to 15. If you want to, you can first calculate the distance of this triangle, which we are going to use the same formula, BH. So 1 over 2B, which is 2. 2 multiplied by 8, which is 10. So I'm going to cancel 10 here to remain 5. So 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10 meter. Then here L multiplied by B. So L, which is 8. 8 multiplied by 10, which is 8 meter. Then here it is a triangle, which is BH. 1 over 2B, which is 5 multiplied by 10. So cancel here, which is 5. So here it is 25 meter. This is the other way you can use to answer. You can add 10 plus 80 plus 25. It will give you 115 meter. So let's write the formula for average speed. So we're going to use the abbreviation. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by time taken. So average speed is equal to, so this is total time, total distance. So total distance, which was 115 divided by total time where it reached, which is 15 seconds. So this is the time taken, which was 15. So let's divide now. So 115 divided by 15. So we're going to look for the number which can goes into 115 and 15. So it is 5. So average speed is equal to 5 into 100. It goes 10 times. It goes 20 times, and then into 50, which is 23. 23 divided by. So 5 into 15, it goes 3 times. So average speed is equal to, so 3 into 23, it goes 7 times. Remainder, so 21, 20. Remainder 2 over 3, which, so this is the answer. So we're going to add the unit, SI unit, which is meter per second. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. May God bless you. Bye.